chaplain witnessed this story firsthand. A squad had been ambushed badly with many wounded and some killed. Each member had been wounded. These men were medevac'd where the chaplain had to be ready for the worst. This unit was brought in and immediately the squad leader jumped off the helicopter. Frantic to get his men medical help, he was running about screaming orders. Even while the men were on stretchers getting attention, he was running to each stretcher checking on his men. He wasn't going to stop, and it was obvious he was on an extreme adrenaline rush. So much so he drew the chaplain's attention. So the chaplain approached him. He just looked through him to check one of his men on a stretcher behind the chaplain. Then he turned to tend to another, and the chaplain was astonished. This man was wounded beyond most that were on the stretchers. He had serious bleeding going from the top of the back of his neck, which looked like an entry wound, and blood going down his entire back. The chaplain believed a round traveled down close to his spine. "Sergeant, Sergeant, I order you to sit down here." Knowing he wouldn't respond to anything but a stern command voice. "Chaplain, I can't. I just can't." "Why?" "You're hurt worse than some of your men," sang the chaplain. "You don't understand, chap. When we were hit, I had a choice to either run out of the kill zone or bend over to help one of my men. Okay, and? Well, I made the choice to help. Right when I bent over, I got hit. You're here now, so sit. You still don't understand, chap. If I was still standing and going to run, I would have been hit right here." He pointed right at his heart. "I would have been killed instantly." The chaplain tells this story every chance he gets. Since he told it to me, I do so as well.